Google Docs to email in 2021 in the Android app. So now that I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is when you install the Google Docs, you have to uh, sign in with your Google account. You can also sign in with your Google account, and then you can create any of the file that you want. And then when you create any of the files, then you have to click on the any of the files that choose any of the files that you want, and then you have to click on the three dots of the file, and then you have to click on the copy link. When you copied the link, you have to go to your browser. You have to go to your app. You have to go to your email app, Gmail app, and then you have to click on the compose email. And here you have to paste the you can paste the link. And I sent this email to my own email, so that you can see the. And when you paste the file link here, then you can add the person that you want to send email in the to box, and then you have to click on the send, and here you can see the email is sent. And when you go to your email, you can see the what you have to do is when you go to your email, when you found this link, then what you have to do is you have to click on the uh, uh, open in the browser, and then you can see the that your file is opened. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good